Hello everyone. Welcome back. We are the Purdue Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, also known as Purdue IEEE Student Branch. About IEEE. IEEE is an international organization with 419,000 members in over 160 countries. There are 124,000 student members and 3,400 student branches. And all IEEE members are united under the central oath of fostering technological innovation and excellence for the benefit of humanity. So, although IEEE is internationally known for its journals and conferences, our objectives at Purdue Student Branch is kind of more member-centric. With 11 subcommittees, IEEE has a place for everyone, regardless of major, who wants to make a change in the world. So our technical committees offer a low-risk environment where you can develop real-life skills with hands-on projects. So our technical committees have built vehicles that move through air, water, and land, and they have written AIs, built prosthetics, and built wireless communicators. And our cornerstones committees allow you to make new friends, network with faculty and industrial representatives, learn new skills, and engage with the community. In the past, our Cornerstones committees have held workshops, game nights, industry talks, and have demoed at the Children's Museum. More about our committees.
Hi, my name is Hadi Ahmed, and this semester I am the chair for Software Saturdays. Software Saturdays is a joint program between the College of Engineering and Purdue IEEE. Software Saturdays is a project-based learning activity for Purdue engineers that aims to teach real-world programming and software skills that are important no matter what major you may have. The topics we cover can be used no matter the internship, the career, or hobby you also may have. Software Saturdays consists of weekly learning sessions on Saturdays, hence our name, and a final cumulative project that showcases all we have learned this semester. If you finish the final project, you earn a certificate issued through the College of Engineering that looks great on a resume, LinkedIn, or to a recruiter. We try to keep our topics fresh and industry focused. Past topics have included website design, Android apps, and React. This semester, we're going to teach Vue.js, a popular front-end JavaScript framework. Vue.js is useful for all sorts of applications, including portfolios and web apps. Even if you don't know anything about web development, we start with the basics to help everyone learn to their best potential. This includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We have no experience required. If this sounds interesting to you, please sign up at the link you see here on screen. Remember, even if you are not a programming-related major, join us for some invaluable experience. If you want some more information, please visit our website or email us with the questions. I hope to see you all on Saturdays.
Hello, my name is Duhan Erula and I am the Industrial Relations Chair for Purdue IEEE this semester. Our main focus in industrial relations is to grow our networking skills. Some of the connections we have in Purdue IEEE are with DigiKey, PESC, SolidWorks, Bechtel, and many more as you can see on the slide. Other things that we will learn throughout industrial relations are how to speak to companies, how to create professional contacts, and how to learn about acquiring funds through sponsorships. So this all connects to networking as a whole, and this is the overall focus, as I said. Our info session for industrial relations will be on Monday, February 1st on the Purdue IEEE Discord channel at 6 p.m. Eastern Time to 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time under the Industrial Relations tab in that Discord. I hope to see you all there. Thank you.
My name is Hannah Hatfield, and I am the Growth and Engagement Chair for IEEE. Growth and engagement has two parts, growth and engagement. So on the growth side, we promote IEEE by going out and finding new members for our committees. So we go out, we speak to people during demonstrations, we go to classes and talk in the classrooms, and we hand out flyers and many other things to go out and get our name out there. And then after we've gotten all the people what we want in the committees, we do engaging events. So we go out into the community and basically help the community. So a few events we've done is Engineering Tomorrow and National Engineering Day. But due to COVID this year, we won't be able to do those events. So we're going to have to go through a little bit of a challenge to try a thing of virtual science events. But if you're interested in doing anything like that, please come to my info session.
Hey, my name's Angelo. I am the current head of the IEEE Learning Committee, and I'm here to tell you about a few of the opportunities we have for you if you choose to join IEEE. So what the Learning Committee does is put together a variety of different technical and soft skill oriented workshops for the needs of the technical committees as well as the general populace of students in IEEE. So last semester we had a SolidWorks workshop, a GitHub workshop, an Eagle workshop, a Python workshop, and this semester we're planning to do an Arduino workshop, a Python workshop, a soldering workshop, among other things. So coming up this month, we have the AC interview presentation on Tuesday, January 26th from 7 to 9 p.m. over WebEx. We're also going to post a recording of that on our YouTube page for those who can't make it or might be watching this after that actual date. We also have a Design for Manufacturing workshop where we teach computer-aided manufacturing using Fusion, a free software. That will be on Thursday, February 4th at from 6 to 8:30 p.m. over Discord. And we also have a soldering workshop on Wednesday, February 17th that's split into 2 sessions since we're limited on student capacity. So the first session is 12 to 2 p.m. and the second is 2:30 to 4:30. We will announce the room when we get approval from the SAO. And at the bottom you see we have a couple of future workshops we're planning to do an Arduino, a Python, and a machine learning workshop this semester as well. So these events are all open to any student in Purdue, IEEE member or not. However, events like the soldering and the Arduino workshop that have an associated material cost are actually going to be free of charge if you are a due-paying IEEE member. So that's just a bit of incentive for you to join IEEE, pay your dues, and take advantage of those great opportunities. So beyond just hosting the events, we actually have a learning planning committee that helps put them together. So if you're interested in some sort of event planning, we have an info session on Sunday, January 31st on our learning Discord at 1 p.m. If you can't access this link, please contact somebody within IEEE and I'll get this to you. We will have regular meetings based on everyone's availability. It's a really great opportunity to learn how to organize events, improve your leadership skills, and network with your like-minded peers. It really fills in some of the soft skill gaps that your technical education doesn't quite hit. So if you're interested in that, please reach out. But other than that, thank you for your time.
Hello everyone, my name is Jerome. I'm the head of the social committee here at IEEE. So attending social events is just a great way to network through IEEE and meet your peers across the School of Engineering as a whole. So in the past, we've done a lot of in-person events, either specifically geared towards our student branch of IEEE, or we've partnered with other student organizations such as HKN or ASME to name a couple. This year we've had a lot of virtual events, including like game nights. We also have a Minecraft server which is currently running. This semester we're continuing along with the trend of virtual events because it's just an incredibly easy way for new members to get involved with IEEE without going outside. Specifically talking about this semester, we're looking at starting out with a virtual escape room that we're working on with some other student organizations, so look out for that. But yeah, that's about it. If you're interested in helping plan some events, our information session is Sunday, January 31st at 4:30 through Discord. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are the Purdue Aerial Robotics team, and I'm the team captain, Nathan Broman. Every year, the team builds an unmanned aircraft to compete in the AUVSI SUAS competition, which is held annually in Maryland in mid-June. The competition involves several objectives, including autonomous takeoff and landing, navigating through GPS waypoints, avoiding virtual obstacles, using a camera to take pictures of targets on the ground, and dropping an unmanned ground vehicle, or UGV, which must land safely and drive to another location. The aerial robotics team is divided into 3 smaller sub-teams. The first sub-team is the aeromechanical team, which designs and builds the physical aircraft. Team members design airplane parts using SolidWorks CAD software and build them from composite materials using 3D printing and laser cutting. The aeromechanics team also conducts flight tests of the competition aircraft. The second sub-team is the electrical team, which is in charge of managing the airplane's autopilot and radio systems. Team members design custom flight control algorithms, test them on a small dummy plane during weekend flight tests, and also build systems for taking pictures of the ground and radios for transmitting the images back to the ground station. The third subteam is the software or computer vision subteam. This team is in charge of making image recognition algorithms to identify targets on the ground. Team members use a variety of software languages and programming techniques to accomplish tasks such as shape identification, text recognition, and color classification. To join the aerial robotics team, you'll first need to join our Slack channel, shown in the upper left. Once you've done that, be sure to join the announcements, aero, electrical, and software channels to receive the latest updates on meeting times and locations. If you have further questions, you can email the team directly using the address shown in the upper right, or reach out to myself or one of the other sub-team leads by direct message or by email.
Hi, I'm Ryan Rask. I'm the chair of the IEEE Computer Society, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about our organization. So Computer Society is IEEE's computer-focused organization. We do a lot of projects involving computer programming or computer hardware. Recently, some of our projects have included working with OpenAI's GPT-2 language processing software. We've done a stenography project. We're planning on working with the Spotify API and doing an imaging processing project this next semester. Our organization offers many unique experiences. We've done supercomputer tours in the past. We have had professors or alumni give talks about their experiences at Purdue doing research or their jobs in the industry. We also plan on giving out some internship advice. We have a lot of experience with internships and leadership, and we're willing to help out our younger members in their process. We also offer a variety of leadership positions. I'm just a sophomore and I was able to land a leadership position, so it's a good opportunity for people that want to push themselves and gain some experience in an engineering type leadership position. We also have social events. We've done movie nights in the past. We do competitions, and you get to meet a lot of new people from a variety of majors. And then I'll tell you a bit about some of the projects that we've done in the past and in what we will do in the future. We've used GPT-2 from OpenAI to generate text based on the training we give it. So for example, we fed it a big database of Beatles lyrics and it tried to create its own Beatles song, and it was really interesting to see how the machine learning works there. We've also used sockets, which is a part of Python that allowed us to create our own server in which we hosted a chat room and we created our own tic-tac-toe game that you could play from different computers. And this next semester, we want to use Spotify's web developer tools to study the data of songs and a user's history and listening to them. You can also use it to interact with Spotify itself, so we'll explore a variety of those things. We also have floated out the idea of doing an imaging processing project or doing something with a smart mirror. So if you're interested in any of this, come to our information session. It's at 8 p.m. Monday, February 1st in Discord. No prior knowledge of anything related to computers is required. It's open to everybody from any major, no matter your skill level. You can follow that link to join our Discord where the meeting will be held, and we will discuss our plans for the spring semester. If you can't make it, feel free to join the Discord anyway and keep an eye out for future meetings. And also feel free to message me on Discord or to email me in the link below about any questions you have. And also feel free to check out our website. Thank you, and I hope to see you there.
I'm the current chair of the Purdue IEEE MTDS Society. MTDS stands for Microwave Theory and Technique Society. As the name suggests, we're dealing with microwaves and high frequency waves most of the time. So who uses microwave? As you can see, is probably they will be designing some telecommunication modules for our devices. Compies will be maybe writing some protocols and cooperating some protocols of wireless communication like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, IEs, MEAE. So literally everyone uses microwaves, and everyone therefore is welcome to join us, whether you are engineering or not, or you are experienced or not. Freshmen, sophomore, senior, graduates, you're all welcome to join us as long as you're interested in learning more about microwaves and how it works, how to use it. So here are some of our past projects. On the top right corner, that's our FM amplifier for one of the audio converters. So it is basically a radio that's gonna taking FM signals and play it out. And on the left, it's one of our wireless energy harvester prototyping. This product can actually be flexible and wear the hand, so because it's printed on a copper board, as you can see, it went to the IMS for 2018. And then on the bottom right, you can see an infrared sensor. Since infrared is also a light, which is a EM wave, so we study that as well. So what we do in MTTS? Mostly we do some of the workshops and projects that's concerning EM waves, RF radios, and microwaves for both communication or power transferring. And we have some like tech talks to explain topics, concepts, designs, and some tutorials of how to build circuits and so. We have some experienced members and graduates gonna mentoring on the high frequency topics if somebody is interested. And then we also invite a lot of professors or people from industry to talk about the cutting edge technology in the wireless communication, such as say autonomous cars radar or 5G cell tower. And then for this semester, we're gonna be fully online, but then we will be involving everyone on the weekly meetings, which will be having the tech talks and some online projects. And for projects, will be mostly about Wi-Fi. So we're gonna build routers, extenders, and potentially making them into some kind of a communication ways. And if we have the chance, we might be driving into a bit about FM radio and some of the FM radars as well. If you're interested and would like to know more about us, please come to our info session, which is on Monday, January 1st, the third week of the school on Zoom at 7 p.m. Here is the link. You can also find that information if you just Google Purdue IEEE calendar and looking for MTTS, you can see our info session listed over there. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Rav. I'm the president for IEEE Racing at Purdue, and today I'll be talking to you a little bit about what the team is about and what our semester plans are going to be. So to begin with, our goal is to basically implement modern automation technologies into go-karts, which means, in simple words, we're going to build a self-driving go-kart. Right now, we have two karts. One is a driver-controlled kart and one is an autonomous kart. We are pretty much done with the driver-controlled kart, and we have only a few things left, like installing RPM sensors and a small display for the driver. But apart from that, our main focus is going to be on the autonomous kart. We'll be using things like OpenCV, computer vision and machine learning, and program that into the NVIDIA's Jetson board, the NVIDIA Jetson TX2, and use that to steer the kart. We have events like karting trips where we go karting, and track days where we test our kart, but because of restrictions this might not be possible. I'll keep you updated on that.
Hello, I'm Grant Geyer and I'm captain of the ROV committee. ROV stands for Remotely Operated Vehicle, and they're used in a variety of marine areas such as exploration, inspection, taking samples, recording data, and making repairs, and more. The ROV team competes in the MATE International competition, and for that, we build a new ROV from scratch each year, which allows us to introduce new designs to the vehicle and pursue more innovative features. This gives everyone on the team a large opportunity to learn, as they are responsible for making their own piece of the ROV. This semester, we are in the build and testing phase for ROV X12/X13 and are rounding out many of the designs we have been working on and pursuing new research and development ideas. Our 40-person team is divided into mechanical, electrical, software, and administrative subteams. The software team writes the control software, computer vision, sensor reading, pilot interface, and more using listed frameworks. The mechanical team designs the frame, enclosures, tools, buoyancy, and SolidWorks, and manufactures them using CNC machining, water jetting, 3D printing, and more. The electrical team designs all of the printed circuit boards in Eagle and solders them and writes any associated embedded C code for the team. These skills have helped our members land internships, jobs, research positions, and more. So, if you'd like to join, our info session is next Wednesday at 5 p.m. in Physics 238. You can attend in person or online in the Discord voice channel for ROV, though we prefer in-person attendance as that is how many of our meetings this semester will be working on hardware. If you can't attend for whatever reason, please reach out to me via Slack, Discord, or you can email me at rov@purdue-IEEE.org. We're open to everyone regardless of major and at any skill level. We do have an application for new members, and this is so that we can limit the amount of new people that are joining so that everyone can get their own unique piece of the project and we can manage everyone effectively. The application is due midnight after the info session. You can find all of this information on the ROV join page of the website.
Hope you're excited about joining us. So to join us, please pay annual dues. And these dues will help fund IEEE events throughout the year, and they will also pay for disinfectants and PPE this year. So annual dues are $15 per year for on-campus students and $7 per year for students who are fully online or students who just want to attend meetings and events fully virtually. And if classes go online early, any excess dues will be forwarded to the next year. If you'd want to sign up for an international IEEE membership, those are $32 per year, but they're not strictly needed for Purdue IEEE membership. But if you were forced to pay it and were a grad student, you're exempted from our local dues. You can pay through cash at W14, which is our office, or you can pay through Venmo or PayPal, and instructions on how to do that are found on our website. Here are our committee info sessions. For more details, please visit our website and check the description down below. You can also contact us by visiting us in W14. You can go to our website, you can email us, or you could join our Slack. Hope to see you all soon.